Hey guys! So I'm here to make another update. There's been a lot of work done on the machine. As you can see, there's some nice white covers, already dirty. As you can probably see, the whole machine is in a kind of weird state right now. Not really in a fully finished state, but we are getting close. We are getting close. And the new control panel. Oh, let's just remove that. I kind of just wanted to show you what's working on the machine and what's not. We're actually nearing a spot where we have more things finished than to be finished, which I'm really excited about. I just watched some of the older videos I have, and it's a day and night difference. So I kind of wanted to show you the procedure of running the machine. I have run the first part on the machine. Not really CNC, just manual. Don't look at this. This is just a death machine. Oh, yeah. Remove the old drives that was not in use and installed a new beefy NEMA 34 motor. And that's where the first part went to. This was the motor that was driving the Z-axis before. A small NEMA 34. But I made this on the machine actually. So this bad boy is a beast and I'm really happy for it. The X and Y is still using 34s and at the moment it's fine. The Y-axis is the belt is a little crooked, so it actually catches on the lip of the pulley sometimes, which makes a racket. Anyway, let me show you how to use the machine. Normally it would open up like this. First thing first, pull E-stop and activate E-stop here. Turn on the machine, turn on the relay, and now you can turn on the machine. That huge noise is just the spindle fan. Now, when you turn on that, you get power to the new drive. Now, depending on where you left the machine last, you need to move it a bit in so you can home it properly. So this is auto mode, MDI mode. As you can see, it's way too bright. Manual mode. Well, actually, this is jog mode, jog home mode, which was supposed to activate these. And then you have handle X, handle Y, and handle Z. So let's go to handle X. Then you have your increments. So for every full revolution, I actually don't know how much you would run. Let's run the other way. Okay, increment 100 is in reality increment 10. So you can see. This was such intense euphoria after I got that working. Haven't got it working on the lathe, on the mill. I just couldn't figure out why until I realized it was because I was running a way older config on Linux CNC and all the tutorials and pre-configs and codes for MPG was for 2.8 and I was using 2.7. So I just upgraded and everything worked instantly. So anyway, let's get back. We need to get it a little behind the home position. Same with Y. So Y. It's a little in, and now the set, get it a little down. So now we've run a little in, so now it can go out to the home position. Go down to home everything. You see it's now homing, and as it homes it turns green. You can hear now the burling noise. So, homed, and now I can activate auto mode and MIDI mode. You can see this does not really work. every time I look down, I get blinded. So I actually have to cover it while I run, which is kind of dumb. Let's just turn it to manual. I don't know if it's as annoying in the video, but the fan is really annoying while you're standing next to it. So just turn it off. The fan on the spindle motor is really, really loud. When you're standing here operating the machine, the fan is actually quite invading in my opinion. Anyway, I think this is a really cool start. There's still some progress to be made. This is not supposed to be here or be rusty. It's just where the 7984 is mounted. It's supposed to be, you know, closed off. So, controller-wise, I need to get some LEDs figured out. The jog, these override buttons, this, turn on, reset, cycle start, and some jogging buttons. The magazine is a far project. At the moment I have it wired up like most Tormark machines and such. You either you call T whatever M6 or go in your tool library and select your tool, click tool change. Yes, you can see it changes into MDI mode. That's not really something I did. Insert tool 99 and press continue. So now you would go up, hold on the tool and click this, and I had to have it configured so if the machine is moving or on, this will not function. The VFD actually has a pin to tell if the machine is off. So if you give it any command or move the spindle, that pin will turn off. So I have a check that RPM is 0 and press this. Release tool, put in the new tool, click. And then you can click enter. And now you have changed the tool. I am actually at a place where I can run the machine. I have run it a bit. I haven't really run G-code yet because I'm a pussy. I really wanted to have this on because I'm not comfortable with the arrow keys. This is much more natural for me. Just go into your jogging mode, set your increment, and then wee, 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 wee. As you can see, everything is just a wiring nightmare. Chips raining down into sockets, open drives and whatever. That's obviously not something I would like it to have. It's just an awkward state. Even now you can see the machine is powered on, but the control panel is open. This is extremely hazardous and not recommended at all. Don't do it. Don't, please, please, please don't do it. Don't do this. It's basically just because I needed to test some things with the drive and I got that figured out. But now I have an issue where these two huge cables need to get out of the cabinet and there's not space to get them routed through the correct way, especially because this is actually a DB connector, you can see. So it's really thick and not really easy to get through. Anyway, hope you liked the video and would like to see some more. I'll be sure to get a move on and make some more videos for you guys. It's just a bit hard for me to make the videos how I like. Make the videos interesting enough for you guys. I don't really know what you guys think is interesting. I have a lot of stuff that I think is really interesting, but I just want to be sure everyone can enjoy it. So, anyway, thanks for watching.